Welcome to Tajweed Academy, your trusted platform for learning Quran, Arabic language, and Islamic studies. We are here to guide you on your educational journey with high-quality courses are designed to meet your needs. At Tajweed Academy, we believe education is the cornerstone of personal growth and development. That's why we have carefully designed our courses to provide a comprehensive and enriching learning experience for all students. We offer a wide range of courses tailored to suit different levels and objectives. Number 1. Arabic for Beginners course. Start your journey with the Arabic language by mastering the alphabet and learning accurate pronunciation. This course introduces you to essential vocabulary and simple sentence structures, building a strong foundation in grammar. Number 2. Conversational Arabic course. Develop your speaking and listening skills with practical real-life conversations. Engage in interactive exercise and practice sensors to build your confidence and fluency in Arabic. Number 3. Tajweed Course. Learn the rules of Tajweed to ensure the proper recitation of the Quran. From articulation points to applying Tajweed rules during recitation, this course offers a step-by-step approach to mastering the Quranic Arabic. Number 4. Quran Memorization Course. Follow a structured plan designed to make memorizing the Quran easy and effective. With regular revisions and tailored repetition techniques, you will be able to memorize and retain the Quran efficiently. Number 5. Quran Tafseer Course. Dive into the meaning of the Quran with simplified and comprehensive explanations of its verses. Gain a deeper understanding of the Quran's message and its practical application in daily life. Number 6. Islamic Studies Course. A comprehensive course covering essential topics like Islamic beliefs, Fiqh, and the life of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. This course is perfect for those looking to deepen their understanding of life and its principles. At Tajweed Academy, our goal is to help you achieve your educational ambitions and enhancing your skills in Arabic and Islamic studies. Begin your journey today and experience a unique learning adventure tailored just for you.